Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Nusantara project, the newer version, the latest version, which is the 1.1 LTS and based on Android version 10. So guys, let's begin. So as you can see, this is the Nusantara LTS version. The Android version is 10. The version is 1.1. The maintainer here is the Mocha FA, and the security patch level you get here is the 5th of February 2021, which is yes the latest one. And the kernel you get here is the Kali Nagiv kernel Agni. So yeah, this is a great ROM, and the specifications are just looking great, and overall the performance is also great. So just watch the video till the end. So yeah, this is just the settings. Then this is the home screen, just the normal home screen as the Android 10 one, as you know, the Nusantara ROM. So going to the settings, this is the settings. Going to the system, and in the gestures, these are the gestures you get. Then you get to see the all the normal options, and you get to see the system update. So I don't know if updates will work or not. I haven't received it yet. I'm using this from around 3 to 4 days, yes, 4 days now, and I haven't received the update yet. So I don't know how to update it, or you can, if you can update it or not. Then you get to see the Xiaomi parts. These are all just the Xiaomi parts, just the same options. Moving forward to the another settings here, you go into security. The face unlock and everything is working absolutely fine, and you also get to see the app locker option. So there are no bugs in the security. The swipe and the fingerprint sensor, everything is just working absolutely fine, so no worries. Then moving forward to these display options, these are all just the same display options available here, no changes. These are same as the previous one, and these are all the styles and wallpapers available here. So no changes in the display options from the previous version. Then moving forward to the battery life, I must say battery life has improved a lot from the previous version of the Nusantara ROM. I am very impressed with the battery life. The battery life has been just great for me. I charged it around 93%, and from 93% to 68% I got the screen on time of around 2 hours and 27 minutes. So yes, I am very impressed with the battery backup, and overall I have used 2 hours YouTube only on this phone ROM. So yes, the battery backup here so far I am feeling it's just great. And you get to see the adaptive battery option, the battery charge warning. Here you will get the warning. So these are the options available here. Then that is it for the settings. I'll just not show you the other settings because they are just the same as other ROMs. Then going to the Nusantara wings, these are all just the same customizations available here. If you want to know all these customizations, then there will be the card up available here for the previous video. You can go and watch the previous video. So yeah, that is it. Now moving forward to the home screen, this is the home screen, just the same normal home screen. Then you get to see the Google Camera Go version pre-installed here, and the other Gcams here are just not working, and the Gcam Go is just not that great. So I suggest you to use the Google Camera version 4.1, which it is much better than these. So yeah, that is it for this camera. Then talking about the quick settings here, these are all the quick settings. The Wi-Fi here is working as you can see, and mobile data here is also working as you can see. VIL LTE here is working, you can see the LTE symbol, and mobile data here is also working. Aeroplane mode and everything. You get to see the gaming mode available here, dark theme. Then going to the edit, you get to see the screen record option available here, the nearby share, the mat log, ADB over network and everything. So these are all the options available here in the quick settings. So yes, screen recorder here is available, so no worries with that too. Then moving forward to the performance here, the Geekbench scores. So here are the Geekbench scores, 277 and 572. I know the scores are not impressive, but the performance of this ROM is great. Just don't judge the ROM according to the Geekbench scores. The Geekbench scores are showing very less, but the performance of this ROM is just great. I had used YouTube for 2 hours, and then immediately I did the Geekbench test. So yes, after that it shows these were the scores. but overall the performance of this ROM here is just great. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and that will be the name of the Telegram group. Here you can join the Telegram group, and also the link will be in the description below. So join the Telegram group if you still haven't joined it. No lags or stutters or bugs or anything. The ROM, I am feeling it very much smooth. It is smooth, in fact. As you can see, no lags or stutters. Sometimes when you do some heavy task, at that time it struggles a little bit, but the ROM here is just great. Then talking about the safety net here, the safety net status has also passed, so the banking apps will run absolutely fine and you will be having no issues with that too. I haven't rooted the phone yet, and without rooting the phone the banking apps will run, and the safety net status has passed, so no issues with that also. Then talking about the speed test here, the internet speed test, I'll just directly show you the results. These are the Wi-Fi results, the 54.5 and 32.9 Mbps. And then talking about the LTE, let's just do the speed test. I have the VI SIM, and on the VI SIM, as you can see, this is how much the speed I am getting. So as you can see, the LTE internet speed here is very much impressive, the 47.8 download Mbps and 17.2 upload speed. So yes, on the 4G and on the LTE, the speeds are just amazing. So yes, no worries with the internet also. The internet here is just working absolutely fine. So the 4G, LTE, VoLTE, everything will just work. So guys, then talking about the bugs here, honestly speaking, I haven't faced any bugs in my usage. I just watch YouTube videos and hear some music on this phone, and according to my usage, I haven't faced any bug. Overall, in my usage, the phone has performed great, and then on bugs, I haven't faced any bugs yet. The calls are working properly. You get to see the call recorder also. I am receiving the calls, and everything here on this phone is just working absolutely fine. I don't know what the bug. If you are facing any bug, then please let me know. I'll just add it into the description. So yeah, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.